Division by 2's Part 2. Let's start. What is 14 divided by 2? The answer is 7. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Now for the second problem. 6 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 3. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. For the third problem. What is 4 divided by 2? The answer is 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. The fourth problem is, what is 8 divided by 2? The answer is 4. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Now for the fifth problem. 2 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 1. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Since we're halfway through, I would like to remind you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your relatives and friends. Thank you. Now for the next problem. 12 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 6. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Here's for the seventh. 16 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 8. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Now for the problem number 8. What is 18 divided by 2 is equal to? The answer is 9. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. The number 9th problem. 22 divided by 2 is equal to. The answer is 11. 22 divided by 2 is equal to 11. Now for the last one. What is 24 divided by 2? The answer is 12. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. Did you find this video useful? Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. That's all for now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you.